What's up guys, I'm Suman from Phonestein. A very happy new year to all you amazing people out there. So let's start this new year with an unboxing of a smartwatch, and this here is the Realme Watch S. Now this here is a very budget friendly smartwatch, and for the price, so for 5,000 rupees, does it have a lot of features that can attract people into buying them. So this is just an unboxing and my first impressions, and I'll definitely be doing a review on this, say like in a week or maybe 2 weeks. So I just really want to test this out a lot. So make sure you subscribe to see that. And finally, before starting this unboxing, do you guys want me to give away this smartwatch? Definitely let me know in the comments below. So without wasting any precious time, let us begin. So this is the Realme Watch S, and I think the pricing is kind of really nice when it comes to this smartwatch. And you do have another smartwatch from Huami, and I really don't have it with me in hand, but yeah, that is also priced at 5,000 rupees, and for that price I think these two are really competent. So at the back you have some specs. So here we have a 1.3-inch LCD display, and you get a heart rate monitor, a blood oxygen meter, you get 16 sports modes, long battery life, but we definitely have to check this out. And then you have IP68 water resistant, which is amazing for a smartwatch at this price. So let's just see what we get here. Sorry, I'm trying this angle out after a long time, so I'm bad at it. Now taking the smartwatch out of the box. Now the first impression I have about this smartwatch is that it definitely doesn't feel premium, but for 5,000 rupees you definitely can't complain. Now as you can see here, it's quite thin, relatively thin, and I really like that about this smartwatch. It's not too bulky like the Huami Amazfit, if I'm not wrong. I'm sure that's the name. So let's turn this on. So let's see how it turns on. Yes, so this is the power button, Realme. So let's set it up and I'll be right back. Now after setting up this smartwatch with the Realme Link app, and after an update, here we have it already set to go, ready to be tested. And I'll definitely be putting this through its paces. Like I'll use this with me in the gym, and I usually don't wear watches while sleeping, but let's see if this can track my sleep and track my heart rate properly, and I'll definitely be doing all that testing. I just observed few things as soon as I set this smartwatch up. Now initially it was choppy, the UI itself was like very laggy and stuff, but after an update now it is kind of smooth and snappy, to be honest. So make sure you update as soon as you get this smartwatch. And you do get some watch faces. They are actually not that impressive, to be honest. Maybe I like this one kind of, yeah, but to be honest it's not that impressive, so I think I'll rather stick with this one. And as I previously mentioned, I again have to test out all the features in this, what and all functions it has, the good, the bad. Now before ending this video, let me just compare this with the watch I am currently using. Now this is my watch that I am currently using, and as you can see here, the dial size is a little, like slightly bigger than that. So yeah, but even the thickness, let me just show you, it's not that thick, and I think that is amazing. And now I've used the Huami Amazfit. That was not mine but my friend's, but that was a huge thick watch. But this doesn't feel like a huge thick, you know, kind of ugly looking watch, but this looks really nice. And I think many people appreciate the looks of this smartwatch, and Realme has done a great job here. And one more thing I just want to mention is that the charger that you get with this is a magnetic charger, but it only snaps one way, so this way. Any other way you try, it won't. So this is the only way, and I think at least for this price you're getting a magnetic charger, and that is pretty amazing. Now I guess it's time I put this through its paces, and most probably within a week or two I'll be coming up with this review, and make sure you subscribe to see that. Now my honest first impressions is that Looks wise, I really like this smartwatch. I mean, it looks really nice. It is not bulky and it actually feels like a watch. It's not too heavy, and that is itself a really nice thing. Now I'll definitely have to put this through its paces, like use it when I go to the gym, use it when I sleep, and see how it tracks your heart rate and all. Well, so let's see if this smartwatch can keep up with what I do, and let's see if this is going to be worth your money. Now this is the Realme Watch S, and I'll definitely be coming out with a review quite soon after I test this thoroughly. And in the meanwhile, you guys definitely let me know in the comments below if I should do a giveaway of this smartwatch, and once the review is out, I'll immediately give the smartwatch away. So make sure you subscribe to see that. With that said, thanks for watching, and this here is Suman signing off once again. Catch you later.